Hi everyone, it's Elena. Welcome and welcome back to my channel if you're coming back. I'm your Russian American beauty reviewer and I love to create makeup looks and talk about inexpensive, often dupes. So today is one of those days. I'm going to be talking about Stila dupe. See that? That's just a fraction of my collection. This is extremely inexpensive compared to Stila, which is beautiful, we all know it, we all like it, but who wants to pay $24? Not me. So if you're interested to find out more about this glitter, then keep watching. Make sure to subscribe, ring notification bell, comment, and like. And I'll see you right in the video. So let's get into my collection. Karabeauty liquid glitter eyeshadows. I was searching, googling Stila dupe. So we all know about Stila, how beautiful, how gorgeous they are, but they're very expensive. They're like $24 unless you find them on sale, which I don't know about that. So I ain't paying $24, of course. So I was looking for a dupe. And I found Karabeauty glitter Galaxy Bomb glitter liquid eyeshadow. So it's a long name anyway. So there is a Karabeauty or I love Kara. What is it? ilovekara.com. So that website, it is original Karabeauty website, and this liquid eyeshadow on it is $9.99, which is still better. But there is a website called iKate House. Kate like Kate, name. So they have a lot of dupes on that website. I ordered eyeshadow palettes, I ordered concealers from them. Some of them, a little bit crappy, but some of them are really, really good. And this one was a real winner. So I ordered like 3, and then I started ordering more. So now I have, let me, if I can lift them. No, I can't lift them home. So this is just a fraction. Look at that rainbow. Oh yeah, that's swatches. We're gonna go through swatches. I'm not gonna torture you going one by one by one. I already did my homework. So right now on iKate House, it is $2.99 per eyeshadow. And this is a great deal. They have a 3-day sale. But even if not on sale, it's usually $4.99 or sometimes it's $3.99. It's still very inexpensive. The quality is great, except maybe for some of them you get kind of a little patchy, but I think it's just a fluke. A lot of them are beautiful. So my favorite one is this Illusion. It's beautiful. It's a little see-through, but it's mostly like a silver glossy. Let me open it up. I've been using it a lot, so it's like almost out. So there. So this is the first shade on my arm. Right here. So this one is gorgeous. It shines on the eye beautifully. So the second one is Exotic. I'm not gonna open the bowl up, it's gonna take a long time, but this is it. Again, you have to look in the light. It shines. Some reason it's not coming out here on camera, but in real life it shines beautifully. It's a little more of a dark gold. So now we have one of my favorites, the bright yellow. This is Thirst. It's like bright gold, liquid gold, gorgeous. So this is it. Right here. Zoom in a little bit. Oh, that much better. See? So 1, 2, 3. So now we go into rainbow colors. I got like all colors of rainbow. So we got a lime green magic. That's it. And that's the one you see here. Now we got Icy. Beautiful. You see some of the most solid and some of the most see-through, like this first one. And this is like solid color. So I would layer this over the eyeshadow, and you can use these. You could use them on its own. I like to layer them anyway. So the next one is called Myth. So that's Myth. Another gorgeous. This is a little dark, so it's like more dramatic. It does come out dark, but look at that. Look at that color. Amazing, amazing. So next one, again, one of my favorites, Stalker. Stalker, creepy. Anyway, such a creepy name for such a pretty color. So there you go. Why does it have to be purple? Why does it have to be a stalker? No. And next one, you got Obsessed. Obsessed, this is the one I have problems with. It kind of looks a little clear in the middle. And I don't know, I've been using it though, so I might have used it a lot. But it comes out a little patchy. It's a little see-through. Other than that, I love it. See, this one is more see-through. Right here. There you go. And the next one is much better. This is more solid pink, light baby pink. And this is Loyal. It's called Loyal. You can't read that anyway. I'll link all of them down below. Here, that's Loyal. Pretty beautiful, beautiful color. And can't even dress my hair. I just blew it out. So the last video I filmed was for the concealer and foundation for a Revolution and Tammy's palette. And my hair was greasy, sorry. I don't know if you noticed, but it was bad. So now we got, let's get back on topic. So this is Hunter. Another gorgeous, that's like one of my favorites, hands down. It's like liquid gold and pink, you know, what do you call it, rose gold? I just had to open it. I love this one. Glitter makes me happy. Here, this one. You know, that swatch kind of doesn't do it justice, but on the eye, it looks amazing. Which way? This way. And the last one, but not the least, this is another one. It's a little bit see-through, but it comes out beautifully on top. It's more of like a topper. Maybe if you get like a golden copper eyeshadow. This is called Seductive. And again, I used it a lot. This is one of the first ones I got, so I went through it. So again, you can see the applicator. It's a little see-through when you see its swatch. See that, the last one? Just keep on going the wrong way. It's a little see-through, but it's still gorgeous. So all of them, look at that. This is like a rainbow palette right there. Are you jealous, James Charles? I'm just kidding. Anyway, so the dry, complete the dry. See that? Nothing. They don't crack unless you pack them, so you don't want to overdo. Like, I love everything extra, but at the same time, you don't want to put too much, because if you layer one over another, you know, you move your lids and it's gonna start to crack. So just go sparingly. So I'm gonna show you another thing, how to apply this. You see, right now in this light, it looks like it's good, my eyeshadow, but I went through other colors in Tammy's palette. As I said, I'm gonna play with it a little more. And last time on the review, I did the orange, the reds, the yellow, and the lime green. So I used these colors last time. This, and those yellows and the reds. So today I used, what do I have here? Blue, dark blue. And I used this blue and this green. So I still use the lime, like a yellow green, but because my eyes are deep set, Let me zoom in. See, the color came out good in the light, but in the daylight, it looks a little dark. So what happens if you have deep set eyes, all these bulky, nice, beautiful tones, they kind of come out a little bit, your eyes become recessed. So you want the eyes to pop. So this is a perfect example where I would add a little glitter. So instead of leaving it as is, which I could, but let me demonstrate. So you see all these tones. So I would say this would look amazing, the green. And maybe I add a little bit of blue, like a light blue, just to brighten up. I could go with this, but again, I want it to be lighter, not darker. And this is kind of dark, you see? So the dark one. So let's go with the lime green. And they blend beautifully too. I mean, you can like create transition. Let's see. Let me get my eyeball into your view. Like a, ooh, girl. See? Oh, yes. I'm queening out. Look at that. Look at the difference. One eyeball and the other fabulous eyeball. And a simple eyeball. I'm just feeling silly today. I took a nice bike ride in LA, and today it's finally cooler. It's like a 70-something degrees. So good. So I'm gonna go with this, the color Icy, and I'm gonna blend it in. I'm kind of trying to blend it into the eyeshadow, into the blue. And now blend with the green and lime green and blue. See that? Look at that. Look at that shine. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the difference. No glitter and glitter. So my eyes pop immediately. So the deep set eye and the big eye, the one that pops out of you. How are you doing? I love it. I don't know how I lived without glitter before I found this. My existence was very, very bleak. So to be just a little more extra, let me go with this yellow and gold and go into the inner corner and add just a little more. So once I touch glitter, I can't stop. Go just a little bit here. Maybe it was a mistake. No, it's good. I just blend it out. I'll blend it out a little bit. So let me blend it out to the other eye, and I'll be right back. I don't want to bore you. So I added more, a little more on each eye. So I did the other eye, and I went ahead with a myth, this one, and I did go into my outer corner a little bit here and here. Just to add a little bit something. Let me zoom in a little more. See that? Ooh, that's close. That's too close. Anyway, you guys can see how beautiful this look. I just wanted to share with you all. So if you're watching, go save yourself some money. And if you want something comparable to Stila, these are freaking amazing. So by the time I post this video, the 3-day sale is gonna be off. So, but still, they're probably gonna go back to like $4.99. But $4.99, I mean, I ordered them by like a 3 or 4. So now I have a collection. So I can do all kind of colors. You can do the full freaking rainbow look with this. So if you guys are interested, check out the links below and comment. Let me know what you think. Have you heard of this? Have you seen them? They look dead on like Stila. I don't own Stila, again. I'm too cheap for that. But I love this. Let me know what you think, what you use personally, which dupes you like. Because there are a lot of brands that came with similar things, but I think this one is the best deal, money-wise, and the quality is great, so check it out. Subscribe, ring notification bell, and like the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.